Google is the world's most popular search engine, handling 40,000 queries per second. Since 1998, the multi-billion-dollar company has become a staple in our day-to-day lives. However, with the rise of artificial intelligence and, more importantly, digital assistants, Google's dominance in digital space may be coming to an end. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So the other day I was messing around on ChatGPT, just having a bit of fun, and I was throwing it some random questions and ideas, and I wanted to see how it would respond. I'm sure you've all heard of it by now. Students have been using it to do their homework, teachers have been using it to grade the same homework, and pretty much every scriptwriter in Hollywood has been using it to write their movies. Anyway, after about an hour of messing around on ChatGPT, I started getting bored of just humoring myself, and I decided to type things into ChatGPT that I would normally type into Google. What I mean by that is I was effectively using ChatGPT like a search engine, like I would with Google. You know, I would type in definitions of words that I should already know, locations to cities I've been to a million times, the recipe list for a ham and pineapple pizza, and just all the random things that you usually type into Google. And after a while, I realized that I haven't actually needed to use Google for anything. I was pretty shocked by this because Google's been my go-to search engine for as long as I can remember. And I'm not alone. Many of us have relied on Google for answers for years. This whole experience got me thinking, could AI technology eventually replace search engines like Google, the behemoth of technology? That's the question I'm going to be exploring in today's video. Is Google on the way out? Google was founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Back then, Google was a research project called Backrub, which aimed to find and organize web pages based on relevance. The name Google originated from a playful name for the number 1 followed by 100 zeros, reflecting the founder's mission to organize the vast amount of information available online. In 1999, Google introduced AdWords, a pay-per-click advertising platform. Throughout the 2000s, Google expanded its services, introducing Gmail in 2004, Google Maps in 2005, and of course, YouTube in 2006. Jeff Bezos once said, "Treat Google like a mountain. You can climb the mountain, but you can't move it." But now his recent investment in an AI company named Perplexity has caused people to raise questions about whether or not he still believes that previous statement. Founded in August 2022, the startup known as Perplexity aims to challenge Google by offering an AI-based search engine that is part chatbot and part search engine, offering real-time information and footnotes showing the sources of its answers. The Perplexity CEO, Avarine Srinivas, has actually gone on record and said that Google is going to be viewed as something that's legacy and old, and believes that Perplexity will be viewed as something that's the next generation and future. So what does this all mean for you? If you're anything like me, you might know a little bit about AI, but you don't really understand what it's capable of. Well, let's explore it together. AI is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform advanced functions like seeing, understanding, and translating language, analyzing data, making recommendations, and more. There are many different types of AI also. Reactive machines, which are limited AI that react to stimuli based on pre-programmed rules. Limited memory, which is the most modern AI, which can learn and improve over time through training data. Theory of mind, which is an AI that can emulate human decision-making capabilities, but it's still currently in research. Self-aware, AI that is aware of its own existence and has human-like intellectual and emotional capabilities. Thankfully, this type of AI is still in the idea phase. There are many benefits of AI: automation, reducing human error, eliminating repetitive tasks, fast and accurate information processing, and its infinite availability. AI is also helping businesses with speech recognition, image recognition, translation, predictive modeling, data analytics, and cybersecurity. But AI is not only for the rich, elite, and corporations. It can also help us peasants in our day-to-day lives. And one way it can do that is through digital assistants. Digital assistants, also known as predictive chatbots, are advanced computer programs that simulate conversations with users, typically over the internet. These assistants use artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning to learn and provide personalized experiences. Digital assistants can answer complex questions, provide recommendations, make predictions, and initiate conversations. They use data models to identify patterns of behavior and refine them as data is added. Digital assistants can integrate with multiple sources, access historical information, and use algorithms to provide personalized experiences. They can automate tasks, provide customer service, and enhance the user experience. There are many benefits of this type of artificial intelligence, such as convenience and efficiency for individuals and businesses, cost savings and improved customer service for businesses, ability to scale and provide personalized experiences, and continual learning and improvement. Overall, digital assistants are revolutionizing the way that we interact with technology, and it will continue to shape the future of customer service, productivity, and innovation. Google has announced that it will be incorporating generative AI technology similar to that using ChatGPT into its search engines. This new feature, called Search Labs, will allow users to ask follow-up questions and receive more specific information. The AI technology will synthesize information from different sources across the web and provide a summary rather than just links to websites. Google's decision to add generative AI to search is seen as a response to the success of ChatGPT and Microsoft's Bing chatbot. ChatGPT's ability to answer questions and hold conversations has made it a popular alternative to traditional search engines. Overall, Google's move to add generative AI to its search is a significant development and could potentially change the way that we interact with search engines. However, it also raises important questions on the impact of accuracy, trustworthiness, and the future of search advertising. Gartner VP Alan Anton has said their company predicts that search engine traffic will decline by 25% by 2026 due to the rise of AI chatbots. He also says that the adoption of ChatGPT and other chatbots is changing the way people access information, and that traditional search engines may no longer be the primary source of information. Anton notes that this shift could lead to a decrease in the importance of web pages and that companies may need to rethink their content strategies. He also mentions that Google's dominance in search may be challenged by new entrants and that the company will need to adapt to changing user behavior and technology. While Anton stands by his prediction, he acknowledges that there are many variables at play and that the prediction may be updated in the future. Generative AI models such as ChatGPT can answer questions and access information faster than traditional search engines. It will also lead to a shift in how we use the internet and access information. There are also potential problems with generative AI, such as plagiarism, inaccuracies, and biases. Because of this, regulation will be important to control the information that we access with artificial intelligence. So that's everything I have for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. I hope you learned something new. I know I definitely did. If you could please like the video and subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll have some more videos for you in the future. Have a good day.